In this video, we're going to go over Builderall's Mock-Up Design Studio. What is up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, we're going to be going over Builderall's Mock-Up Design Studio. And this is a really cool feature which allows you to create stunning Facebook images, stunning images, and mock-up designs to be used anywhere across the internet. And it's a really cool tool which I'm excited to show you. So without further ado, let's jump in. Mock-Up Design Studio. And basically this allows you to create really cool designs inside different placeholders. So here we are inside the design studio, and you can see there's a ton of different placeholders for you to add. You can create product images, you can create videos on top of billboards, on signs, on side computers, phones, tags, all sorts of different places. And you can even create your own holders. So if you don't see something that you want to add into here, and you can even put them on milk boxes. So any kind of image that you want to add something to, you literally just drag out the corners and the dimensions, and then you can add your images to it. So really cool for creating eye-catching designs. And it's really easy to use. You just click on the placeholder that you want to use, and then you upload your media, and it shows you the outline. Once it's uploaded, you can have like an image, or you can have a video playing here, and you can download the video, download the GIF image, and ready to go, ready to add to your computer. So that was a brief overview of the Design Mock-Up Studio inside of Builderall. I hope you had lots of ideas on how you can use it for product creation and for GIFs and images and all sorts of stuff like that. So if you found value in the tool and want to play around with it yourself, hit the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial of unlimited access to all of the Builderall tools. And as always, if you found this video useful, smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching, guys.